everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open your browser, be it Chrome or Safari. Then go to att.com/activate prepaid. Select the number of lines you are activating today. I will go with 1 for now. Now you will see an activation form where you need to enter 3 things. Your SIM card number, also called ICC ID, your IMEI number from your phone, and your service zip code. Let me enter it real quick. After entering the details, tap Continue. Then you will be asked to choose your prepaid plan like unlimited or 5G data. If you already have a prepaid refill card, you can enter that PIN there too. And then you have to create your AT&T prepaid account by setting a username and a 4-digit PIN. Once everything's confirmed, you will see your new AT&T prepaid number. That means your SIM is successfully activated. Now just turn off your phone, insert the SIM card and restart it. You should see AT&T on the network bar and you are good to go. And that's it. That's how you activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.